Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to increase snap score fastly. Guys, if you want to increase snap score, please keep watching this video until the end because I have amazing method for increasing the snap score. You can see I have a 580 snap score. You can see before first, and now go back from here and simply tap on this plus icon here. Now scroll down and tap on multi snap from here. Please keep watching this video until then. Now take 8 snaps from here. You can see appears on screen. Now tap on it. Now tap on send from here, guys. Here. Now tap on this plus icon from here. Now tap on new shortcut. And then now tap on choose emoji and select any emoji for the name of this shortcut. Here I'm selecting. Tap on done from here and select the friends you want to add this shortcut. I have selected my many friends for this shortcut. Now tap on create shortcut, wait for some seconds here. Now tap on recently created shortcut here, tap on it and tap on save option from here and simply go back. Now tap on this recently created emoji, tap on it and now tap on select all from here and now tap on simply send here. Guys, your snap sent only one click to all shortcuts. Friends, you can see appears on screen. Now close this window and recheck the my score. You can see appears on screen. Now close this window from here. Reopen Snapchat application and tap on this profile icon. Here you can see appears on screen. You can see I have my score up to 1000. You can see appears on screen in 2 minutes. Guys, you can increase your snap score by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.